All right, this video is not like the well, hello, highly motivated video. This is a Q&A video that I want you to give me some feedback. So my question for you in the comments box below, are you a renter or a homeowner? And the reason I'm asking this question is because if you need fruits and vegetables and we run out of them, do you have a backup plan? If you live in an apartment, you're not going to have a great opportunity compared to a homeowner or a person that's renting a house or a trailer because they have some land. They can start their own gardening. So that's something to think about. So if you live in an apartment, what is your backup plan? What I would say you need to do is get involved with a local gardening community and start to learn and grow crops with that community, so that way you have fruits and vegetables that you can get for cheaper. Another thing that I would highly recommend, encourage you to do is to look into this book, The Backyard Homesteading book. It's an easy to read book and has plenty of great information that can get you started on homesteading. It's not overwhelming, and this book is less than $20, so it's a great investment. I'll put the link in the description box below. But if you live in an apartment, don't be discouraged, because you can also start a mini garden in your house. Just get a flower pot and put some soil, and you can start like cutting a potato in half, put the slips in there, and you can regrow potatoes that way. Or you can start trying to regrow lettuce. Put the core in water and watch it start growing, and then you can place it into dirt too to keep giving it the nourishment. But for under $2, you can go to a Dollar General or a dollar store and get yourself 4 packs of seeds. Something easy, like I would say cucumbers, tomatoes, or something like, and green peppers to get you started. So that way at least you can get started and have your feet wet. But I don't want you to be disappointed. Just think ahead, think outside the box. In the good book, it talks about the story of the ants and the grasshoppers. So which are you? Are you a grasshopper or an ant?